A very good morning, students. Today we will discuss our another lesson, that is the Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. As we have already completed the chapter earlier, now we will focus on the key points given in the support material. Here we have two characters, that is Mr. Herriot the vet and Mrs. Pumphrey. As you can see, the main points of these two characters. Now, Mr. Herriot. Mr. Herriot was concerned about Tricky's health. Mr. Herriot wants his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, to cut short his diet and add to exercises, but doubts that the lady would heed. Thus, a spectacle soon. Mr. Herriot makes all preparations of his treatment in advance. He brings the dog to his surgery hospital, keeps the dog on water only, and allows him to struggle for food and fun. Meanwhile, enjoys the rich diet of egg and liquor meant for Tricky with friends. And happy to see jostling for food, and in this way he treated Tricky. On the other hand, Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady full of vanity, and she was fond of feeding the dog even at the cost of his health. She doesn't care about her health, and at the same time she was very passionate. And you can say uh, she gives everything to his dog to eat. She gives her fresh eggs or whatever. And finally, Tricky becomes ill, and then she called Mr. Herriot. Mr. Herriot did nothing in the hospital. He just planned the diet of the dog Tricky, and he gave him an opportunity to play with other animals in the hospital. And after some time, Tricky became normal. ये एक ऐसी मकान मालकिन की स्टोरी है जिसने अपने जो पेट है उसको खाने के लिए सब कुछ दिया, लेकिन उसको प्लान नहीं किया। जो भी वो चाहता वही उसे वो दे देती। उस नतीजा क्या निकला कि वो जो डॉग है वो बल्की हो गया, फैटी हो गया। वो अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ को करने में भी अनेबल हो गया। बट अल्टीमेटली ही गोट अ गुड डॉक्टर। डॉक्टर हैरियट ने उसकी डाइट को प्लान किया, उसे प्रॉपर डाइट दी, और इसके अलावा डॉक्टर हैरियट ने उसे स्पेस दिया खेलने के लिए अदर पेट्स के साथ। और कुछ ही दिनों में ट्रिकी ठीक हो गया। दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी एंड वी हैव टू मेन कैरेक्टर्स हियर। और जाने अनजाने में आप ये कह सकते हैं कि ट्रिकी द डॉग इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर। ओके, he eats whatever he wants, but ultimately with the help of Dr. Harriet he finds his health again. So this is the chapter for you for the recapitulation purpose only, beta. I hope you will get benefit from this. you can use your support material that has been provided to you by the school. Thank you. Bye bye for now.